How are we doing, everyone? This is Dario from MEDIABOXENT, and thank you for being back. First time on the channel, remember to subscribe to MEDIABOXENT Lab by clicking the letter B or Lab right now, and the notification bell. Make sure you click there, activate that, so you know next time we'll release a video that will help you in your next project. And if your next project is looking for selfie sticks, well, I'll show you that right now. Let's take some cool selfies, right? Maybe this way. How about this way? They would like this. Yeah. We change away. Or maybe just move the zoom up, down, right? Make all kind of changes. But the nice thing is, we want something portable at the same time too. So let's remove my phone out of here. Put my phone in my pocket. And let's go this way. And real small. But you know, now I need a tripod. I want to leave it around the table and take some good pictures. Well, we go this way and we open the whole thing. So now I have a nice tripod. We go this, we put the phone right here, but how I can control this from there, right? No problem. Well, how about if I take the remote control, put it around the table like this, and just go bean, right? It takes some nice pictures. Put it back again here. Right, close this up again, put this way, you put this inside, and that small you can put almost anywhere, and about 32 inches long. But you know what, and let me get my other camera. It has a quarter screw there, and you want to know for what it's for? So in reality it's 2-in-1. You can hook up a regular camera now, right? And at the same time I can remove this and put my cell phone. And actually I can open here too and put my cell phone. They have 2-in-1. So it's a great selfie stick, easy to use, super light. Comes with the remote control. There's a USB charge, so you charge your USB. So when you get this for the first time, I'm going to charge it for maybe 20 minutes. Now, and you need to pair this with the Bluetooth. Now, one little secret, how we turn this on and off, because there's no on and off button. Well, if you're looking down, we have the minus right over there. Next to you have the signal of the camera. Another camera that actually from Selfie, from the regular camera, you can change from Selfie to regular camera by pressing over here. Hold that for a few seconds. Like you will see the green light right there. I'm going to hold it, and you will see it will turn off. See, that's off. Now I'm going to press once again. And it should come on, yes, and that's on. And automatic will be paired again on my phone since I already paired this. I searched for that. So it's great selfie stick to take a great selfie. So carry with the regular camera.